Hello. We've all heard it before. It costs way too much money to get your hair done for your wedding, so let's see if I can do it. I can. I really want to wear it up. It's a shame, right? Because I have purple hair. It's nice. You want to see it all down? I get that. But my wedding dress shows off my shoulders, and I think they look really nice. And so I would like to show them off. And I think it would just be better for my hair to be up. I think my face almost looks so much better when my hair is up. I've just always felt like that. Nevertheless, we'll try one hairstyle with it down. I've always seen people pin the bangs back, and I feel like if it's all slicked, maybe it could be cool. I'm just gonna take literally one bobby pin and put it back like this. Looks great. That's the rain. Sorry about that. It's kind of spooky. Okay, so it's like that. I feel like I would need to cover the bobby pin for today. I don't think so. So, well, I guess my hair wouldn't be in front. It would be like this. I don't love it. I don't know. Like, it's nice that you could see all my hair from the back. Something about it not being pulled up. I think when my hair is pulled up, it just makes this all like, you know? Yeah, I'm not buying this. I also think it looks younger, which, you know, I go so back and forth on. It's my wedding. I do kind of want to look young and youthful, but it's also my wedding. I'm an adult. I made this whole event happen. I'm not a kid, so it's like, I'm just too old for this look. I don't know. I just don't love it. I would love to try a high bun with some pieces down. I still don't know if the pieces down really does much for my face because it's something down here, but maybe it's like a little bit of a compromise. We'll see. I'm gonna take out like this much. All right, I'm gonna pop all my hair up. It's kind of a puzzle to figure out because I do want to wear a veil in the back, so I don't want it crazy high, but the higher it is, the higher my cheekbones, you know? I got this sweater where I got engaged to Ravello, Italy. So cute. Let's curl these pieces. This is the thing that I'm the worst at. I got a lot of skills, but it's not curling the front pieces, I'll tell you that. I think I need to hold it less. Like, it's my wedding day. You'd feel like you'd want this to be on the curling iron for a while, but also it always curls too much. Okay, that's not terrible. But it's like, what the hell? Oh, gotta take this out. I don't know, guys. Like, this looks like the George Washington hairstyle that you do in a pool. You know what I mean? The flip. If I could figure out the bangs, then I would do a bunch of like cute curls with this, but I don't even think it's worth it because this doesn't look cute. Moving on. This is the one I think I'm gonna do for sure. This is where we're gonna care a lot about the part and just get a nice slick back. So I'm gonna go, it's a pretty straight line we got going. I think this bun won't be as high because I just love to keep this part as defined as I can. So, ow. If you couldn't tell, I haven't washed my hair in like 6 days, but it's like really good for the slick back stuff. I feel like I really barely need to put oil in it. I recently got this stuff. I know everyone uses it. It's not the like big messy hair or whatever, not the really nice brand. It's like $4 from Amazon. I think it works just fine. What I really like is this thing. This really just smooths everything out so you can't see like each individual hair on your skull, if you know what I mean. That's nice. It's just like, on the day, if I have a big bump like that, I'm gonna be a little stressed. Now look, you can, like, don't you think my face just looks so much better with it up? And it'll look even better when it's in a bun. Alex Cooper got married with this kind of bun, and it looked like she did like a knot, which would be cool. I think I want a little more drama, but we can do the knot. Today, I just did one. I guess I'll do two. And then you just like loop around with those pieces. All right, I can't even see it, but do you like it? What do you think? I think this is it, right? Please, please comment and tell me if you like it. It would just be nice to know. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm gonna do what I like, but it's really nice and validating for someone else to like it too. So let me know. Or if you have any ideas of how to fix this whole situation or any tips, I'm super open to tips. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.